More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, build your...
Hello mothers and fathers out there. I want to try to talk to you for a second about helping you with your son and creating a great man in this world for him to do good things. I wrote 4 books that I believe will help him find his way through the world, navigating and becoming a great man. And they're very short books. They're not, long or overbearing. It's common sense information, plain talk that everyone can understand. And if you buy them for him, I think he'll learn to respect that decision that you gave him something to read. His kids don't want to read, but you gave him something to read, and this is going to be a very defining moment in his life because you want to help him become a great man. So mothers and fathers, don't be afraid. Buy the books and give them to your son, the young man in your life that you want to help become a great man. It's well worth it, I believe.
What makes a great man? Is it his achievements, his wealth, or his influence over others? This question has echoed through generations, from ancient philosophers to modern thinkers. We often associate greatness with fame, fortune, and power. These are the images that dominate our media and culture. But true greatness lies deeper, beyond the superficial layers of society's expectations. It's about character, integrity, and service to others. These are the qualities that define a truly great man. This essay explores the essence of true manhood, delving into the values that have stood the test of time. It challenges conventional notions of success, urging us to look beyond material accomplishments. It redefines greatness based on principles that stand the test of time, principles that are often overlooked in today's fast-paced world. Join us as we uncover the qualities that truly matter, qualities that build a strong and compassionate society. Let's inspire a new generation of men to embrace a higher purpose, one that transcends personal gain. Let's build a world where greatness is defined by character and contributions, not superficiality. A world where every action counts. It's time to redefine what it means to be a great man, to set new standards for future generations. It's time to empower young men to lead lives of meaning and impact, to be the changemakers of tomorrow. Society often equates greatness with wealth, fame, and physical appearance. We see celebrities on magazine covers and assume they have it all. But these external factors don't define a man's worth. True greatness isn't about the size of your bank account or the number of followers you have. It's not about having a chiseled jawline or a muscular physique. These things fade with time. Real greatness runs deeper. It's about the content of your character. It's about the impact you have on others. It's about living a life of purpose, integrity, and service. Let's move beyond the shallow measures of success. Let's focus on the qualities that truly matter. Let's redefine greatness based on character, compassion, and contribution. At the heart of a truly great man lies a strong character. Integrity, honesty, and humility form the essential foundation. These qualities shape his interactions with the world around him. A great man possesses a deep sense of humanity and kindness. He treats everyone with respect, regardless of their background. He shows empathy and compassion for those less fortunate. Intelligence, both intellectual and emotional, is crucial. A great man seeks knowledge and understanding. He is also self-aware and manages his emotions effectively. These pillars, character, humanity, intelligence, provide the bedrock for a life of purpose and impact. They guide his actions and inspire others to be their best selves. Section 4. The Power of Service. A great man understands that true fulfillment comes from serving others. He seeks opportunities to make a positive difference in his community and beyond. Whether it's volunteering his time, mentoring youth, or fighting for social justice, he is driven by a desire to contribute to something larger than himself. He understands that his actions have ripple effects. He doesn't wait for recognition or accolades. He serves because it's the right thing to do. He finds joy in helping others and making the world a better place. Through acts of service, a great man leaves an enduring legacy. He He inspires others to follow in his footsteps and create a more compassionate and just world.
Hello everyone. Life is very short, but if we had great information that would help us navigate through this life in a much faster, much better way, that would be a great thing. And I have 4 books that I believe will help young men become great men. So look it up, don't hesitate. Just look at the books, see if they have information in there that'll help you become a great man, or help your son, mothers and fathers, for him to become a great man. Life's too short, and if you get information fast enough, you can enjoy life much better. Books will help you do that, I believe.
Section 5. Leaving a legacy. A great man's impact extends far beyond his lifetime. His actions, words, and the values he held dear continue to resonate, echoing through the corridors of time. He leaves behind a legacy that inspires future generations. This legacy is a living testament to his dedication and passion for making the world a better place. This legacy is not built on material possessions or fleeting fame. It is not about the wealth he amassed or the accolades he received. It's built on the lives he's touched, the values he's championed, and the positive change he's created in the world. His influence is seen in the smiles of those he helped and the hope he instilled in their hearts. The positive change he fostered is evident in the communities he uplifted and the causes he supported. His legacy is a mosaic of countless acts of kindness and service. His legacy lives on in the hearts and minds of those he's inspired. It is carried forward by those who continue his work, driven by the same spirit of generosity and compassion. He may not have statues erected in his honor nor grand monuments bearing his name, but his spirit lives on through the countless acts of kindness and service he inspired. His legacy is woven into the fabric of everyday life, in the small, yet significant gestures of goodwill. His story becomes a beacon of hope, guiding others towards a life of purpose and meaning. It serves as a reminder that true greatness lies in the impact we have on others. The true measure of a man's life lies not in what he accumulated, but in what he gave away. His generosity and selflessness are the true markers of his success, but in what he gave away. His legacy is a testament to the enduring power of service, integrity, and love. A great man's legacy is a testament to the enduring power of service, integrity, and love. It is a legacy that transcends time, inspiring others to follow in his footsteps and continue the work he began. Section 6. Inspiring future generations. Young men today face numerous challenges and distractions. In a world that's constantly changing, they are often left to navigate complex social landscapes. They are bombarded with conflicting messages about what it means to be a man. From media to peer pressure, the noise can be overwhelming. It's easy to feel lost or uncertain about their path. The pressure to conform can be immense, making it difficult to find one's true self. But the message is clear. True greatness lies within each of you. It's about discovering your inner strength and potential. It's not about conforming to societal expectations or chasing superficial ideals. It's about breaking free from those constraints. It's about embracing your unique talents and using them to make a positive impact. Whether it's through art, science, or community service, your contributions matter. Focus on developing your character, cultivate your intellect, and engage in meaningful conversations. Dedicate yourself to service. Helping others not only benefits the community, but also enriches your own life. The world needs your compassion, your leadership, and your innovative ideas. Your commitment to making it a better place can inspire others to do the same. The future is yours to shape. Look towards the horizon with hope and determination. Embrace the challenge of becoming a great man. Every journey begins with a single step. Your journey begins with a single step, a single act of kindness, a single moment of courage. A single act of kindness can ripple outwards, creating waves of positive change. A single decision to make a difference can transform not just your life, but the lives of those around you. Section 7. The journey begins within. The path to greatness is not always easy. There will be challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt. But within each of you lies the potential for extraordinary things. Believe in yourself. Surround yourself with positive influences. Never stop learning, growing, and striving to be a better version of yourself. Remember, greatness is not a destination, it's a journey. Embrace the principles of integrity, compassion, and service. Let them guide your actions and shape your character. The world is waiting for you to step up, to lead with your heart, and to make a lasting impact. The journey begins within. The time for greatness is now. Go forth and make your mark on the world.
Hello everyone, I want to thank you for watching my videos, and I would ask that you like the video, subscribe to my channel, comment, so that I know I'm helping somebody by you commenting on them, liking them, or subscribing to my channel. This way I can get more coverage and reach more people. So thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Hello again, thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one.
More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man,